Hi friends, welcome back to Mathsdale. Today we are going to work on these questions. You're going to solve these ones. These are indices questions. Like in indices, you add, subtract, multiply, divide, and the last two, if you see the question number 6 and 7, those ones I'm going to show you how to change in the standard form. All the questions you have to leave answer in the standard form, but last two I'm going to specifically show how you write any answer in the standard form. So come on, let's start work now. The first question is 7 times 10 to the power of 4 times 6 times 10 to the power of 5. So as you see, these are like indices questions, and we have to multiply them. So this is very simple, easy trick. What we have to do is we have to multiply these two numbers, which is 6 times 7 is 42. So I'll point these two we are multiplying. Now we put times, always put times irrespective of whatever in the middle. If there's a times, we have to put times here. And these two, if they are same basis, add the powers. I repeat, bases are same, 10, 10, add the powers if there's a time. If there's a time, add the powers. So 10 to the power of 4 plus 5. I'm just writing extra step to make things clear for you guys. So the answer is 42 times 10 to the power of 9. Is that standard form? You lose marks if you don't put answers in the standard form. Is that standard form? No, it's not a standard form. Standard form is you have to write decimal after the first number. There should be a decimal here. So we have to change this answer in the standard form. So it will be 4.2. We move decimal inside one step. If we move decimal inside one step, we add 1 to the power. So times 10 to the power of 10. That's our final answer. Hope you guys understood that. Nice and easy trick. Times, you multiply them and add the power to the same basis, which is 10, and put that in the standard form. Come on, let's move on to the second one now. Right. This is the second question, which is 63 times 10 to the power of 7 divided by 3 times 10 to the power of 5. So there's a division sign between them. Now what we are going to do, exactly same thing, we divide these two. 63 divided by 3, which is 21, times, and we subtract the power. Same basis, we subtract the power. So 10 to the power of 7 minus 5. I'm just adding this extra steps for you guys to understand this properly. So the final answer is 21 times 10 to the power of 2. Right, again, is that standard form? No, it's not standard form. Standard form is decimal after one number. So move one step inside, which is 2.1 times, add 1 here. 10 to the power of 3. This is our final answer. So it's 2.1 times 10 to the power of 3 is our final answer for that. So if it's divide, you just divide the numbers, first numbers, and subtract the powers of 10. And write in the standard form. That's it. Hope you guys understood. Let's move on to the third one now. The third question is 24 times 10 to the power of 5 divided by 6 times 10 to the power of minus 4. I'll pick one more division. There's a reason for that, because if you see, there's a negative number in the second power here, which is 10 to the power minus 4. People get confused when there's a minus and minus. They get confused with that. So let's work it out. You know the process. 24 divided by 6, which is 4, times 10 to the power of, we subtract the power. So 5 minus 4. When we have two minus together, that will become plus. So technically we are adding them. So 5 plus 4, 9. So final answer is 4 times 10 to the power of 9. That's our answer, because single number, there's a standard form. That's done. That's the answer. Hope you guys understood that. So if there is two minuses, that will become plus. So you add them. Let's move on to the next one now. Next one is 2.5 times 10 to the power of 4 plus 3 times 10 to the power of 2. So now here we have to add. If we are adding them, indices if we are adding them, we have to change them in the ordinary form. Ordinary form is, these are standard form, we have to change back to the ordinary form, which is 2.5 times 10 to the power of 4 will be, okay, the trick is 2.5 is here, 10 to the power of 4. So there are 4 zeros involved in that. So move 4 steps out. 1, 2, 3, 4. In these empty, put 3 zeros. That became 25,000. So the first bit is 25000 plus this is 320, see 300. That's simple. Add them, that'll become 25,300. Now this is not standard form. We have to change this back to standard form, which is decimal after one number, as you know that. So 1, 2, 3, fourth step. So 2.53 times 10 to the power of 4. Since we are moving this side, it will be plus 4. So that's our final answer. So it's 2.53 times 10 to the power of 4. So we change in the ordinary form, add them, put it back in the standard form. Hope you guys understood that. Let's move on to the third one. Right, next one is 6.3 times 10 to the power of 3 minus 2.3 times 10 to the power of 2. Well, this is subtract now. We have to apply same process like the addition. So we have to change these standard forms in original format. So 6.3 times 10 to the power of 3 is if someone got confused with that, if there's a confusion in that, 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, add 20 in it. That's changed in the ordinary form. So what is that? This is 6300 minus, what is that? Now 2.3, easy. 2 steps, 1, 2, empty, put a 0 in it. I'm sure you guys understand. That's easy trick. So 230, put 230 in it, subtract them. Subtraction is quite easy. So when we subtract 6,300 minus 230, that will be 6,070. Well, is that standard form? No, this is not a standard form. So we have to change the standard form, which is decimal after one number. 1, 2, 3 steps. So 6.07 times 10 to the power of 3. So moving to the left, you add the positive power. If you're moving to the right outside, we have to use a negative power. This is what I'm going to show you in the last two questions, how to write in the standard form, moving right and the left, where the negative power will get it. The last two questions. We're moving towards the question number 6 now. Right, this is the question number 6, which is 38,400, like 38400. Is that standard form? No, it's not standard form. So we have to write in the standard. I'll show you how to write this in the standard form. Standard form means decimal after the first number, which is what here we have to bring the decimal. So count the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps we are moving towards left side, right to left. So which is 3.84 times 10 to the power of 4 steps, right? So plus 4. That is the standard form for that. Hope you guys got it. It's just moving, counting the steps, how many steps you're moving to bring it back after the first number, putting the decimal there. That many steps is the power. I'm going to show the other one now, 7, the last question. Well, this is the last one, 7th question, which is 0.000739. Right, now, as you know, the first number is 7. We have to bring the decimal back after 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We are moving 4 steps to the right. So it's going to be negative now. So 7.39 times 10 to the power of minus 4. That's it. That's our standard form. So if you see in both the questions, that's why I did both the questions next to each other. If you're moving towards left, count the steps. That many steps will be the positive power. And if you're moving towards right, outside, moving that way, that is negative power. Count the steps, that'll be the negative one. Hope you guys like it. Hope you understood these 7 questions of indices: add, subtract, multiply, divide, and changing the standard form. If you like it, please like it. Share it with the people who need help with maths. We are here to help everyone with maths in a simple, easy way. We are not doing any flash videos. We are making things nice and easy, simple. And if you like, please subscribe it so you can see our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye now.